today is beach day, but the boys don't know. So it's gonna be a huge surprise. Pretty excited about it. Fun afternoon to get out of the house.
Yeah? We're at the lake. You can sit on the beach. Too tired? You want to go back home? You gonna play in the water?
We're gonna load it down. You ready to go, Bob?
Wait. Huh? Turtle. Bringing me water?
Yeah. I'm heavy.
It's heavy? That's right, look at that boat. It's going fast. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Got a bunch of rocks in it. Okay.
Wow!
2, 3.
Whoa!
Hey,
Pepe.
come on, Waylon.
I'm Pepe.
Come on, Waylon.
Oh, there you go. Oh, this is so cute.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that was a pretty fun, successful day. What do you think?
I'm tired.
Yeah. Jackson, was that so much fun? Yeah.
It's time to go home. Somebody doesn't want to walk.
We made a pit stop on the way home at a local brewery we haven't tried out before.
So far, so good.
I mean, I can't complain.
It's got a trash truck, so he's happy. Boats and what? Jet ski? Jackson, take it. Thumbs up. Nailed it.
No. No.
We made it back And no beach day is complete without some sort of a seafood dish for dinner. So we're gonna do shrimp boil tonight. Never done one before, found a recipe to do one in the oven. So completely different than like your typical big pot, open flame thing. So I think we're hungry. The sun's got us hungry for sure. How good does this look? Pretty impressed. Thanks for hanging out with us today as we discovered what the Midwest refers to as a beach. A lot of fun. Now it is bed, bath, bed. So we're calling it a day. We're tired. The sun got us. It won. Sun won, us 0. So see y'all next time. Remember, if you need anything, be fantastic.